Malla, did you see, Malla, what they have said? That man, he has said that you all have to now surrender your what comes. Yes, man, all your wealth you have to surrender it seems. Otherwise, they are going to take legal action, no, Malla. Ekane Kicha, don't you know these things? You should know these things, no, Kicha. Now, what are we going to do? What is the plan now? Oya, you better put a Lokugana, Malli. You better put a Lokugana on the asset list. Otherwise, how are you going to save the people, Malla? Think of the people. You better put everything on the asset list. The sun and the moon also. Mark it on the asset list. Ayyo, Malla. Nobody owns the sun and the moon, no? So you put it on your list. That's what. Listen to what I say, will you? I am your bigger sister. Listen, will you? Otherwise, you wait and see. You mark my words. You will not be able to do anything for the people. Yes, if you want to serve the people, the bottom line is put some big asset amount. That's right, Malla. If you need anything, call me, darling. If you need any advice, I'll prepare you a nice home-cooked meal one of these days, okay? Now listen, this Tix has come here. I have to go. Now be careful and call me. Okay, toodles, darling. Be safe. Take care. Bye. Hi, Tix. How are you, darling? Every day you're bringing me news, darling. Of course. But today, I have a news for you. It's the biggest thing you have ever heard.
Tell me.
It's a number one news.
Another one? Agnitika Asiyawe lokuma ekak nan must be one of ours.
Gee, Tix. Agnitika? Eh mokadde? We are not Agnitika Asiyawe, darling. Loke. We are the biggest in the world.
Must be, Polly. Must be the country with the biggest harak in the world.
They are going to give each and every one Diyarakiri, that is malted milk.
Malted milk? Malted milk never than then when haunted milk. I don't know what you're saying, Polly.
Diyarakiri, malted milk.
Diyarakiri is not malted milk, man. It's fresh milk.
Whatever takes, that's not what I was trying to say. When it comes to pawning, we are the most advanced in the world, look. How the Ascharya.
Pawning? Do people even have anything left to pawn?
It's becoming a real industry, Tix. Now see, 14.4% of bank loans are given for pawning. In a way, it's a good thing, no? It's more business for the banks. And then, of course, more business for the whole world.
New business? What you saying, man? New business? Gold prices are going down. Really good business this will be.
Tix, why are you always taking things so negatively? Then tell to see why people are pawning their gold all the time. Not me, of course, darling. But there are people who pawn their gold, no, now?
Yes, of course they're pawning their gold, Polly. They don't have food to eat. They can't afford anything. They're starving. All the prices are going up all the time.
Darling, what is going up? I, of course, can't see anything going up. The human rights violations also have gone down.
Ane, that's true. At least for a week, there will be no human rights violations.
Me, Arya, she has gone to Ratu Passalalu.
Who?
That auntie man.
No, I didn't see it in the papers. She just came in, no.
As soon as she has come, she has gone to the Valley Varialu and she has cried, no Tix, because all the human rights are upset, Kiela. She has said when this Valley Varia incident was taking place, she was in England. I couldn't come. Now I came. Kiwalu.
How can that be, Polly? Arya yanukote ne meya aave. Vayane last Sunday. Arya me aava meya gya.
Nah, darling, I'm not talking about that one. I am talking about the Lokunona. She was there in those days. In a big way she was there. So she has gone to Valley Varia. That's her place, no Tix. They are Gampaha people.
Okay, that one. එයාට දැන්ද මතක් වුණේ මෙතන මිනිස්සුන්ට වතුර ටිකක් ඕනේ කියලා. Now only she is remembering that they wanted a drop of water.
ඒ මිනිස්සු වතුර ඉල්ලුවේ නෑනේ ටික්ස් එයාගෙන්. Do you remember that Ansel Lanka incident? They have asked for a salary hike and she has given bullets. If the Valleyvaria people asked her for water, she might give them also bullets. Don't go to underestimate that one.
Ayo, yes, Polly, she's also a very capable woman. But you know, I was thinking, if she gave pipe water during that time to those people, there won't be any problems, no?
She was very busy, no, Tix, those days. She was running a barber salon. Very high-class barber salon. She was very busy, no?
Salon?
Why, Tix? Can't you remember? She had a salon, right? And if you had a bad haircut, like that, a particular atrocity on your head, you could go there and she would cut it right off and you would have a nice slender hairstyle, you know. It was the talk of the town. And there was those singers, no, Tix. They didn't have really good hair, real bad hair days those two singers had. They were married also. So she sent her highly trained barber outfit and they went to their house and cut it right off. See, Tix, celebrities, no, they have to look good for the country.
Polly, I heard that you all are going to give Dierakiri.
Yes, Sunny, we are going to give Dierakiri to the entire country. Oh. That is our new motto now, darling.
Motto? Annie, what is that, Annie? I didn't hear of a motto.
Sri Lanka. We are going to swim in an ocean of milk. Api kiri saure, pina namu.
Harima Lasanai, Polly, that's a really great motto. Harima Lasanai.
I came up with it.
I can imagine. One question. How are you going to actually make that happen?
Tix, you remember one election, I think last one or the previous one, the presidential candidate promised each house a bull.
A bull? For a house?
That's what he said. That is to make a nation full of milk, rich with milk. Actually, Tix, I was thinking, if we pay for it, can't we buy the concept and the copyright? I can see the campaign line now. Each house raise a cow. Actually, Tix, we can give every house a small patia. One house a small bull patia and one house, the next door house, a small cow patia. Then we can subsidize 3 sacks of grass every month.
Grass? You might have to bring that from New Zealand or somewhere, no?
No, darling, that has DDT, no. I have come up with a new campaign. Api hadamu, apima kamu. Nil Thanakula Ralla.
Sha, Polly, ane, harima lassanai, Polly, Nil Thanakula Ralla. Apima vavamu, apima kamu.
Tix, I have been thinking about another project. You know, we mustn't waste our cow dung. Our cow dung is a valuable natural resource, Tix. I have heard sometimes you can make electricity out of cow dung. Now see, we must use these sticks. Api goma sanskrutya bhi karanna one.
Okay, Polly. Then what about a slogan like this? Gomavaling swayam poshita samajak.
That's so good, darling? We must put something like Goma Ralla.
Anyway, Polly, what about this? Live on cow dung. Be patriotic. Buy our cow dung.
Tix, you're very bad, no, with coming up with these campaign lines, no? You wait, darling, let me come up with the line. Enna Goma kohedai balanna.
Oh, sure, harima lassanai, Polly. You're really good with these campaign lines, Annie, I have to say.
How my imagination ticks.
Actually, Polly, I can't think like you. You know, you're really good. But Polly, I have one more question. What exactly are you going to do with these campaigns?
Why? To make the whole country the Swayam Poshita with the cow dungs.
Oh, then Polly, then milk?
First, Ticks, we have to get Swam Poshithas with the cow dung. Then, Ticks, when the little Patias have got big and all, then with the milk, with the Kirivaling, we can become the Swam Poshithas.
Until that happens, මේ දියර කිරි ටික කොහෙන්ද දන්නේ එන්නේ නේද? මේ where will we get this fresh milk?
You know, Ticks, I have the ideal solution for this, okay? Now, there are these Hamatanamayana Haraks, no? So, we have to have a milk collecting center, okay? And then all these Hamatanamayana Haraks can come and then give their milk, okay? And then as a reward, if they want, they can get a coupon to go and see what is happening in the parliament free of charge.
Oh, right. Like a blood bank, a milk bank. ජීවිතයක් බේරගන්න කිරි ටිකක් දන් දෙන්න.
Gee, Ticks, that is of course a very good campaign line again. You wait, will you, Ticks? I'll think of something, okay? Don't worry.